Chino. I read about DNA and I want to talk about it. Every living thing carries a code that determines how the organism will look and function. These instructions are held on strands of DNA found in nearly all living cells. DNA is what makes you, you. DNA is a long, stringy molecule made of two strands with links between them. These are twisted in a spiral ladder structure called a double helix. The ladder has rungs of four chemical bases: adenine, cytosine, thymine, and guanine. The bases always appear in pairs so that when a cell needs to reproduce, for example, to help the organism grow or heal, the DNA splits itself down the middle of the ladder to create two new strands. DNA holds a secret for an individual organism. In a DNA molecule are sections called genes. Every gene carries a different piece of information. Pieces of information control characteristics such as eye shade, height, and nose shape. Genes are kept inside chromosomes, which are called strands of DNA found in the cell's nucleus. Humans have 46 chromosomes holding over 20,000 genes across them. We inherit, did you know we inherit half our chromosomes from each parent? 23 from each. So I can have some of my dad's personality and some of my mom's. Other organisms have more or less chromosomes. Fruit flies have just 8, while a king crab has 208. Since everyone's DNA is unique, except if you are an identical twin, it can be used to identify us. This makes DNA useful for solving a crime. Forensic scientists, experts who use science in criminal investigations, gather DNA from a crime scene, such as hair or saliva. They analyze the cells to create a DNA profile. They can then use this to try to find a DNA match and the culprit. Out of curiosity, we share about half our genes with a banana. That's because most genes just control how an organism works. All organisms do that in much the same way because they have all evolved from the simple single-celled organisms that appeared billions of years ago. So we reached it to the end of this video. As I always say, please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.
So now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get ya.